Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove view only in Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see, I have already opened view only document in Google Sheets, and I can only view this document. If I want to make changes, I need to ask the owner for edit access. Okay, and I can't edit this document guys, but don't worry guys, if you want to edit the document, I'm going to show you a trick to remove the view only so you can edit the document. If you want to do that, you can make a copy of this document and it will remove the view only. I'm going to go to the file and then select make a copy, and then you can choose a folder in your Google Drive where you want to locate your document. And I'm going to click on make a copy. Okay, and just hold on guys. Okay, and this is the copy of the document, and I'm going to try to edit it. Okay, now I can edit this document, and then the view only has been removed and you can edit it. Okay guys, and that's how we can remove view only in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!